Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Teppo Kauppinen and today we are doing unboxing video from Hudy vacuum pump. This is for 1/8 scale off-road model, but you can use this one also for 110 off-road or 110 touring cars or anything like that. Let's have a look what we have inside here. The box is nice, printed Hudy style, colorful. At the cover we have here a small box. This is the power cable. Here we have a manual. Here are all the parts and here how it works. And here is the whole unit. So there are power inlets. Here is the button for use and here is the screw for pressure release. So how this works, let's have a look. You will take the power cables, minus for black and plus for red one. And you can use this for your power source or your battery. Just remember to connect the right way and you will be safe. Then you will take the socks. Put the socks there. Fill with the oil. And normally, if you don't have this vacuum pump, you have to wait like 20 minutes or even half an hour if you are building the diff with the heavier oil. But this vacuum pump will make it a little bit faster. So let's put the cover on. Make sure the valve is closed. Do not over tight this one because there's a small O-ring. And if you are rough, you can break it. So now everything is ready. You will hold the cover down and push the start button. You will hear the small sound. And now you will just wait half a minute or maybe 1 minute and all air inside the sock oil will come up and your socks will be ready for use. And same goes for diffs. We can demonstrate. Yeah, it's working. No air leaks. And after 1 minute you can just unscrew the pressure valve. You hear the air coming in. And now you are ready to go. Just close the socks and put them to your car and you are ready to go. Thank you for watching and see you next time.